What's going on, guys? Today we're doing a review of QubitTech. This is a really dope new platform for crypto. You're not going to want to miss it. So when you guys click the link in my description, it's going to bring you to QubitTech and you're going to create an account and move some Bitcoin over. Also, as a side note, you guys are going to need a VPN if you're in the US or Canada. So you can use a free one, you can use a paid one, faster one, whatever you guys want. So US and Canada, you got to use a VPN. Then you're going to come over here and buy one of these packages. You can start with $100 and this will pay you 250% on your initial investment. So in 4 months, you will make back what you put in. So in 4 months, if you put in 100, you'll have 100. And then in 10 months, you'll have 250. I started with silver, so in 10 months, I'll have 2,500, and I'll be getting 250 a month. So I'm sure you can see as you get bigger, it gets way better. But something really cool about this platform is that they have, if you go to my network, you can see all these bonuses for affiliates. So if you refer 4 people in the first 15 days or something, you get some bonus. You get a binary bonus. You get you can have a left leg and a right leg. So right now, this actually just went up. It was 76 before. Now there's 77 people here because I get spillover from everyone that uses that link. So it's pretty cool. You can have a left and a right leg. So when you go up here, you can go to, they have robots too. You can get bonus robots. These guys, you hook these robots up to an exchange with an API key. I don't really mess with that because I trade on my own. But you can get free ones, so I mean, why not? They pay 7% a month or something. They have documents. You guys can go read all of this stuff. But basically, all you really need to use this for is the 250%. You don't need to do any affiliate or my network stuff. That just simply accelerates your ROI, so it's better if you go and share your link. So this is really good, guys. It's a relatively new platform, so when you use my link, you're going to get all the spillover from me, from everyone else who uses my link. Right now, I've been in it for 3 days. I made $30, so I'm averaging $10 a day, and you can look at the percentages you get here: 0.82, 1%, 1%, 0.5. It's not the same every day, but you can expect around 1%. And yeah, it'll give you 250 by the end of your package. And something that's really cool actually is that you can use the money you're making to go towards your next package. So I'm in silver, so I can use this $30 to upgrade to the 5,000 package, and it keeps your initial package. So I only need 4,000 more to get to the 5,000. So yeah, use the link, share it, do whatever you guys want. It's going to be awesome. Let's get it.